Hello, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to decrease in crochet. And decrease means if you want to reduce your stitch number. I made a swatch right here of 11 stitches and I want to show you how to go from 11 stitches to 10 and after that to 9 stitches. I will begin showing you how to do it in single crochet. After that I will show you how to decrease in double crochet. And finally, how to do it in half double crochet. There is a few different ways to do it, but I want to show you the easiest way, and that's also the most popular version of how to do a decrease. And that is to do 2 single crochet together. So first, if you want to do a regular single crochet, you insert your hook in the next stitch. And then you grab your yarn and pull through the stitch. And if you want to do a regular single crochet, we simply just yarn over and pull through the loops. And that's a single crochet. If you want to do a decrease, you begin the same way by inserting your hook through the next stitch and grab your yarn, pull through the stitch. But then you stop here. Before you go any further, you don't complete the stitch, but you move on to the next stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull through. So now we have 2 incomplete stitches right here. Then we yarn over and pull through all the loops. So we complete the 2 stitches at once, and we now made a decrease. So we turn 2 single crochet into 1 stitch. So you see all the single crochet right here. This is the decrease where we did 2 together. I will show you once more. So you insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through, and you stop and don't complete the stitch. Then you go for the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through. So 2 incomplete stitches, which we will complete together by yarning over and pull through all the stitches. So now we turned 11 stitches into 9, and we are all already seeing the work beginning to crop a bit because we are decreasing the stitch number. And now you know how to decrease in single crochet. I'll now move on to decrease in a double crochet. The technique is the same as the single crochet. We will begin 2 stitches, and before we complete them, we pull them together. So to begin a double crochet, we yarn over, then we insert the hook in the next stitch. Then we grab the yarn, pull through the stitch, and we have the 3 loops on your hook. Then we yarn over and pull through 2 of the stitches, and then we stop. So we have these 2 loops on your hook, and then we begin the next stitch before we finish the stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, and pull through the stitch. These 2 loops are the next stitch, so we yarn over and pull through these 2 loops on your hook, and then we have 2 incomplete stitches right here, and we will now pull them together with a yarn over and then pull through all 3 stitches. And that's how you do it in double crochet. So it's very clear to see all the double crochet right here. And these 2 are 2 double crochet together. They begin separately, and in the end they only will be 1 stitch. So that's how you do decrease in double crochet. It's fairly easy. You just begin 2 stitches, and before you finish them, you make 1 yarn over to pull them together as 1 stitch. I just did some half double crochet, and now I want to show you how to decrease with the half double crochet. So first we begin the stitch with the yarn over and inserting your hook. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. So now you have your 3 loops on your hook. And the technique with the half double crochet is a little bit different than the other 2 versions with the single crochet and the double crochet. Because if we wanted to do a half double crochet right now, we will yarn over and then insert the hook and begin the next stitch. But with the decrease, we won't begin a half double crochet the same way. We will just insert the hook without yarning over and then grab the stitch and pull through. So now we have 4 loops on the hook. Then we yarn over and pull through all the stitches. And that's how you do it in a half double crochet version. We do like this because if we did it the same way as the other 2 versions, then we will have way too much loops on your hook. You see, now we have 3 loops on the hook. If we did it the same way as the other 2, we would have 5 or 6 loops on the hook when we are about to pull them together, and that will make a mess. So this is a much more clean version of the decrease. So now you know how to decrease with the single crochet, double crochet and the half double crochet. You're very welcome to follow my channel. And if you have any techniques you want to learn and you want me to show you, just leave them in the comments below and I will take a look at it. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!